Hi everyone, I'm Zio from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to change your profile photo on Bitget Wallet. Updating your profile photo helps personalize your account and make it easily recognizable. So, let's get started on how to change your profile photo on Bitget Wallet. First, open the Bitget Wallet on your device. Tap on the menu icon from the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on your profile from the top of the list. In your profile settings, locate the profile picture option and tap on it. Tap on the gallery option to choose a photo. Select the photo that you want. Finally, arrange the photo as desired and tap on the done button from the bottom right corner. And this is how you can change your profile photo on Bitget Wallet. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.